If you had to pick one wrist companion today, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Ultra or the Apple Watch Ultra 2, which one actually earns that spot? On paper, both scream adventure. But in real life, different story. Stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your routine, your phone, and your budget. Samsung goes bold with a cushion-shaped titanium body that's slimmer and comfier than before, about 11% thinner, plus a dynamic lug system that flexes with your wrist. Translation: big watch, surprisingly chill fit. Apple: classic ultra look, 49mm aerospace-grade titanium, flat glass, clean lines. It's the "don't baby me" build that still looks premium at brunch. Side by side, the difference is clear. Samsung's softer, sport modern. Apple's squared off, expedition ready. Both bring flashlights level brightness, up to approximately 3000 nits. So yes, you can read pace data at noon without squinting. Sapphire crystal on both plus serious toughness. 10 ATM/IP68 and MIL grade on Samsung. Depth rated durability and MIL spec on Apple. Think of it like this. If your morning jog occasionally becomes accidental trail run through a thorn maze, either watch survives. Wait till you see how their GPS behaves in the urban canyon. Here's where it gets fun. Galaxy Watch 8 Ultra leans into multi-sport life. Quick switch triathlon controls, dual frequency GPS, GPX route support, and night vision faces to kill glare. You also get detailed sleep tracking, sleep apnea detection, vascular load insights, and even achievement badges. Tiny dopamine hits that keep you lacing up. Apple Watch Ultra. 2 counters with elite-grade GPS accuracy, robust training load views, a customizable action button, and a built-in siren for emergencies. Plus that slick double-tap gesture for hands-busy moments. Think holding a kettlebell and still starting a lap. Specs are one thing, but user experience? That's a whole different game, and both feel dialed. Samsung's new 3nm chip equals faster UI, smoother scrolling, better efficiency, and improved thermal design inside a slimmer body. The bioactive sensor gets smarter, feeding you more reliable health data. Apple's S9 chip brings 64-bit speed, a beefy neural engine, and on-device Siri, so timers, workouts, and health queries respond fast even when your phone's in the locker. Precision finding and gesture control. Tip it further into Smart Assistant on your wrist. Here's the deal. If you care about voice smarts and ecosystem polish, Apple's edge is real. If you want raw athletic versatility with deep health metrics, Samsung swings back hard. Battery anxiety check. Apple quotes up to 36 hours and much longer in low-power mode, which weekend warriors will appreciate. Samsung improves efficiency too, and with that bright screen plus dual-band GPS, it hangs tough for long training days. But the bigger unlock is the ecosystem. Galaxy Watch 8 Ultra sings with Android, especially Samsung phones. One UI watch, seamless tiles, tight Galaxy health. Apple Watch Ultra 2 is, obviously, peak iPhone synergy, iMessage, Apple Fitness Plus, on-device Siri, the works. So ask yourself, what phone are you actually using? That single choice can decide the winner before we even talk about price. Let's talk about wallets. Galaxy Watch 8 Ultra comes in around $650 depending on size config. Apple Watch Ultra 2 starts at $799. Bands can push it higher. Not a tiny gap, and it matters. So, which should you buy? Go Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Ultra if you want a feature-packed fitness-forward watch with rugged build, great multi-sport chops, advanced health tracking, and strong value, especially if you're on Android. Go Apple Watch Ultra 2 if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem and want top-tier GPS accuracy, long battery with low power options, on-device Siri, safety siren, and gestures. It's premium, precise, and ridiculously cohesive with iPhone. So, which one's calling your wrist? Drop your pick and why in the comments. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. And tell me what you want compared to next.